Over 2 decades of healthcare excellence. Rainbow Children's Hospital continues to be at the forefront of delivering world-class healthcare to children and women. Thousands of precious lives saved. We have played a major role in saving thousands of critically ill children and emerged as the best hospital in the country. Over 1 million smiling faces. Rainbow Children's Hospital at Banjara Hills is a 225-plus bed super speciality unit with all pediatric super specialities and allied services offered comprehensively all under one roof.
Rainbow Children's Hospital has established itself as the leaders in tertiary children's hospital over the last 2 decades. It has been consistently voted as the #1 children's hospital in the country. This will be the first centers in India to provide quaternary services in a children's hospital.
The Department of Pediatric Gastroenterology and Liver Diseases at the Rainbow Children's Hospital can take care of all gastrointestinal disorders of children.
We are one of the biggest centers who diagnose and treat biliary atresia. And I'm really happy that we have a fantastic surgical team because of whom we deliver excellent results. We also manage extremely short gut patients. We also have a fantastic geneticist and a team of good dietitians with whom we manage very complex metabolic liver diseases and inborn errors of metabolism. We also have to our credit more than 150 pediatric liver transplants with a survival, 5-year survival as good as any Western country.
We have state-of-art 22-bedded unit for pediatric hematology, oncology and BMT in our hospital. We have designed our unit as per the global recommendation norms to cater good services for these children suffering with cancers and blood disorders. Results of our unit are at par with Western countries.
We use stem cell transportation for treating conditions like blood cancer, bone marrow failure syndrome, thalassemia, and other complex conditions.
So we are one of the most comprehensive pediatric neurology services in all of the South. We are equipped with 4 full-time pediatric neurologists, 3 pediatric neurosurgeons, genetic and metabolic specialist, child psychiatrist, developmental pediatrician, and a comprehensive neuro-rehabilitation services. I think this makes us one of the comprehensive unit to provide care for neurologically afflicted children and their families.
We have a full-fledged department of pediatric neurosurgery catering to different types of diseases of the brain and spine in children.
Our pediatric nephrology department at Banjara Hills performs kidney transplantation.
Pediatric nephrology department in Rainbow Children's Hospital has dedicated renal transplant unit and dedicated hemodialysis unit also. Whatever is the issue, whether that is metabolic, infection, glomerular nephritis or chronic kidney disease, we have all facilities to take care of the child.
Cochlear implant is the most successful neural prosthesis ever made. It is a highly advanced implant which is implanted surgically for kids who are suffering with congenital deafness along with speech disturbances or ill-developed speech. We at our center also provide advanced implant otological services like brainstem implantation, middle ear implantation, bone anchored hearing aid and advanced lateral skull base surgeries.
Here we are dealing with all pediatric airway emergencies and also pediatric ENT emergencies like a foreign body in the nose, foreign body in the ear, foreign body in the throat or bronchus or lungs.
Our Department of Pediatric Orthopedics is an advanced orthopedic center offering a wide range of sophisticated orthopedic care to children.
We treat all fractures including complex fractures like hip fractures, pelvic fractures, elbow fractures with multiple bone and joint fractures with multidisciplinary approach. and some special kids with neuromuscular conditions like cerebral palsy. The children will be presenting with severe spasticity or contractures or joint dislocation. In these children, long-term follow-up is required up to skeletal maturity to give a better life to the child and have better rehabilitation.
The team of pediatric surgeons at Rainbow Children's Hospital are senior and experienced to perform complex surgical procedures in very small babies and in the pediatric age group. Complex urological surgeries, cancer surgeries, and the liver and the biliary tract, the pancreatic surgeries, the urological surgeries are all done by laparoscopy, which is a major advantage for kids who require these procedures.
We provide comprehensive pediatric healthcare for your child under one roof. We are always there 24/7 for your child. We are Rainbow Children's Hospital.